Hello everyone, today I'm going to be presenting to you a new plugin named Volt, designed by Aurent Studios. And as you can see, I have got my 808 on the first channel and the kick on the first channel. This is how it sounds like. I'm going to be turning it on. I'm going to reduce the punch a little, the ratio a little bit. The master is on. When the master is off, it sounds a little bit lower. That reduces the 808 sound. The punch increases the punch of the kick and the 808 together. The Volt makes sure that we are below 0 dB. We can also listen to the 808 alone. How much 808 is being allowed through the plugin? We can set that through the grit and the sub. This is sidechaining. We can sidechain both the kick and the drum. The kick and the 808. So I'm just playing around with the knobs to find a good feel that suits me. You can hear really the kick levels, how the kick gain is increased. It's actually really punching to levels as hard as I want it to. And then I can put back the 808 and try to find a spot for me that sits well. For this one I just want the 808 to be on the background just to complement the kick, so I can save it. Let me save it as test, so that next time if I want a similar vibe, I can just find it there. You can keep on playing with the knobs to find something that feels good with you. So yeah guys, this is a new plugin named Volt by Aurent Studios. You can get it on the link below. Yeah, only at an affordable price.